Welcome to Westgate Chevrolet. Today we're taking a quick look at some of the interior and exterior features on our 2017 Cadillac XT5. This vehicle is featured in our white metallic paint with alloy rims. We have our chrome front grille, all-wheel drive, and 3.6-liter V6 engine. Now on to the interior of the XT5. I'll walk you through a few of the driver's features, starting off with our door panel. We have our black padded leather, brushed aluminum. We also have our chrome door handle, lock and unlock buttons, and memory seat option just down below. Then we have our padded leather armrest, close handle, rear and front window controls, power mirror fold-in, rear window lock, and power mirror adjustment with joystick. Bose speaker down below, as well as storage and our power liftgate controls. And on the side of the seat, we have our power seat adjustment and power lumbar support adjustment. Now off to the left of the steering wheel, we have our electronic park brake, interior lighting dimmer switch and cubby hole, and our gauge cluster with screen, radio and volume controls on the right side of the steering wheel. And off to the left, we have our heated steering wheel option, our lane departure warning, front collision alert, cruise control, voice commands, and phone hang-up. Steering wheels wrapped in black leather. Our push start button, perforated leather across the dash area. If we go to the home page, we can see we have our audio phone projection for our phone, OnStar navigation, as well as settings, climate, text reader, and our OnStar application. Then off to the side, we have our park assist and hazards. Radio and volume slider down below. Dual zone climate with heated seats for driver and passenger, and our felt line cubby. Brushed aluminum inserts at the bottom of our cup holders, as well as a leather cover. Our gear select stalk. Behind that, we have our traction control and driving mode. Depending on the driving mode we're in, we can be in all-wheel drive or two-wheel drive, indicated by the all-wheel drive light. Our phone holder in front of our padded leather center console lid. Inside of the center console, we will find a felt line center console area with cutout for the Cadillac key, two USB ports, auxiliary input. The front seats in the XT5 are featured in our black patent leather with our Cadillac silhouette embossed in chrome. Moving down, we have our perforated black leather to allow for maximum breathability of the leather seats. Above our rear view mirror, we have our OnStar controls, dome lights and dome light settings, 3 garage door openers, sunroof and moonroof controls, as well as our sunglass holder, and a panoramic sunroof and moonroof overhead. Back onto the exterior of the XT5, we can take a closer look at our alloy rims with our Cadillac logo center caps. We also have our Cadillac logo off to either side in chrome. Our chrome door handles with lock and unlock buttons on front and rear, as well as our rear privacy tent. Round to the back, we have our dual exhaust, XT5, 3.6, and all-wheel drive badging. Now moving on to the rear interior of the XT5. Take a look at our rear passenger door card, which also features our black padded leather, brushed aluminum insert, chrome door handle, window switch, padded armrest, close handle, speaker, and storage. Back of the front seat, we have our leather magazine holder, and back of the center console, we have our storage compartments, vents, and 2 USB ports down below. The rear seats are also featured in our black patent leather with our perforated leather in the lower portion of the seat. And we have our middle fold-out seat, which features 2 cup holders and a padded armrest. Thank you for joining me for this video walk-around of the 2017 Cadillac XT5. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and we hope to see you in at Westgate Chevrolet sometime very soon.